Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So guys, I have the breast part of a whole chicken here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it up. I'm gonna try to get about 4 good strip or more. Cut it up good, wash it, and then we're gonna season it. All right my peeps, so I washed them and I cut them in 2 pieces, so I got 4 from it. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoning. I have some all-purpose seasoning. I'm just gonna use my finger and I'm gonna dab some on it like that. Not too much. It's chicken breast, guys. You don't want to put too much seasoning on it. No way, no how, Jose. So that's it. About ½ teaspoon on everything. I have my fancy container. I got them from the dollar store. $4 for both. And this says pepper. I'm gonna add some pepper. And this, the next one says S for salt, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. And you want to season them on both sides, okay guys? Canola and extra virgin olive oil, not much, just to grease the pan. All right guys, I don't use much oil. 1, 2, that's it. I have a little bit of flour here. You can use 1/4 to ½ cup because you're not going to use all of it anyways. I'm going to put ½ teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning and just a little bit black pepper. No salt this time. Stay away from the salt, guys. We're going to give this a little mix. And that's it. Now I'm gonna take this goodness up. Can you see it? And I'm gonna put it in my flour, and I'm just gonna coat it, move it around, and that's it, guys. I thought I was videoing, but anyhow, you know it go, I say go. So anyhow, I just place them in the oil and I'm gonna let them brown up. And after they brown up, then I'm gonna flip them over. Just like that. So basically you wanna give them about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. All right guys, now we're gonna take these bad boy out and we're gonna set them here for now. And we're gonna make the sauce. All right guys, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of my blended seasoning. I will leave a link how to make that. I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of applesauce. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper, just a smidge, and the same with the salt, just a smidge. The final ingredients, I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of this Worcestershire sauce. And that's it guys, you wanna mix this a little bit. I'm gonna go in with about ½ cup of water. And that's it guys. Make sure you mix out the honey. All right. And to the pan, I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of butter. You can add 1 tablespoon, but I'm not into too much butter. I'm gonna go over here with my sauce. We're gonna let this come to a boil. Guys, it smells amazing. So you want to let this come to a good boil, all right? Once that comes to a boil, you want to set your chicken in. We're going to let this cook down in this juicy sauce, all right? All right, guys, after about 2 to 3 minutes, it's gonna go down to gravy like this. And now you want to baste it, coat it. And it's ready to serve up, guys. I'm gonna turn the stove off now. Yes, can you see the goodness? All right, guys, we're gonna serve up some now. All right, guys, this is my flaxseed oil and this is my spray bottle, and we're gonna put a little bit, and I'm gonna put my asparagus in, put a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. We're just gonna toss these around. And they should cook like in about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, that's it. We're gonna serve up some chicken. Can you hear that, guys? Still sizzling in the pot. All right, we're gonna serve up some. And now we're gonna serve up 2 pieces of this juiciness. I'm gonna serve it right on top there. Let's do this piece. I'm gonna put it like so. Woo! And we're just gonna drizzle a little bit of the sauce so it looks like it's running down, not much. And guys, look at this. Woo! Juicy and nice. My honey garlic chicken breast, serve up with some asparagus and some lemon. Look at that goodness, guys. Woo! And this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. Yes. My goodness, and it's so good. Crunchy and nice. Have a good day, guys.